In this video, we are going to show you how to set up buy one, get one in Shopify. Now, it's not really that hard. It's actually quite simple. If you want to set up a buy one, take one, or buy one, get one for free on your Shopify store, it's very easy. Of course, you need to be signed into your Shopify account. Once you are in your admin dashboard, I want you to look at your left-hand side. This is going to be your main menu. Now here, I want you to click on discounts, right? Under discounts, this is going to be what you're seeing if you have not, or if you've yet to set up a discount option for your store. Now, of course, you want to click on create discount like so, and this pop-up will appear. For this example, we want to click on buy X, get Y, discount specific products or collections of products. So click on that. And here, this is going to be the screen that you're going to see. So we're going to actually click on minimum quantity of items, right? So quantity is going to be 1. Any items from specific products or specific collections, depending on what you want to do. Search for products, right? So click on browse. For example, we want to click on ebook. There you go. So click on that. And then here, I want you to click on under at any discounted value. It's by default set on percentage because discounts, of course, right? But here we want to click on free. There you go. And if you want to search for products, click on browse. And of course, it's a buy one, take one gig or deal. We want to choose the same kind of product, right? So we selected the ebook, so it's going to be another ebook, right? So click on add. There you go. And then after that, you're pretty much set. And all you need to do is click on save and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.